Deeply rooted in laser-intelligent manufacturing, redefining production efficiency. Longson L6max sheet metal laser cutting machine, the 2536,050mm extra-large work table, effortlessly handles large format workpieces. With an automatic dual platform exchange system, downtime caused by material loading is minimized. High-speed cutting boosts efficiency, while the robust machine structure ensures stable performance and continuously delivers powerful productivity. Multiple structural reinforcements ensure greater stability during high-speed operation. The machine bed is integrally welded from multiple steel tubes, ensuring overall stability and smoother operation at high speeds. Standard with 1,300 degrees Celsius molded refractory bricks for excellent heat resistance, ensuring stable and durable machine performance during long hours of high-power operation. Ultra-high pressure extruded aluminum beam with excellent deformation resistance and superior mechanical performance, ensuring long-lasting accuracy. Equipped with dual safety cameras to monitor operating status in real time, which ensures safer and easier operation. The 12mm slat frame design increases load capacity by 80%, ensuring more stable cutting of thick plates. The follow-up laser head protection is combined with dust-proof shield to provide all-around protection for core components. The follow-up exhaust system, paired with optional top air blowing extraction and at-source dust extraction, ensures efficient dust removal with a cleaner, greener process. Ideal for machinery manufacturing, sheet metal processing, hardware, metal crafts, and more. Large working area, dual workstations, rock-solid stability, high efficiency. Longson L6max, driving productivity to the next level.